Welcome to Module 4, Prompt Structure, the Core Elements. In this lesson, we'll look at the 6 building blocks of every strong prompt and how you can use them to get more reliable results. Our goal is to understand the 6 elements that shape clear, powerful prompts. Once you know these, you'll be able to design prompts with far greater control. The first 2 elements are role and task. Define who the AI should be and what you want it to do. For example, you're a career coach. Give me 3 strategies for improving my CV.
Clear role, clear task.
Context is what makes a prompt relevant. It's the background or details that shape the answer. For example, summarize this report for a non-technical audience gives the AI a clear frame of reference. Format tells the AI how to deliver results. For example, list the top 5 points in a table with 2 columns. When you set the format, you get usable output instead of random text. Constraints and voice fine-tune your prompt. Constraints set boundaries, like word count or focus. Voice sets the tone. For example, in under 150 words, explain in a friendly, conversational style. These small tweaks can completely change the result. To recap, the 6 core elements are role, task, context, format, constraints, and voice. Your action step: take a prompt you've used before and rewrite it by adding at least 3 of these elements. See how much sharper the output becomes.